Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering components and immediately starting the build. Connect the GNSS module to power and to the Raspberry Pi UART or USB. This gives you raw satellite data. Once done, flash Raspberry Pi OS and enable SSH so you can work headless. Install prerequisites: GCC, Make, Git, and Python 3. These let you compile or run drivers. Make sure the antenna has a clear sky view. That improves time to first fix and accuracy significantly, which matters for mapping or timing. Now you configure the software stack so the hardware becomes a usable GPS source. Install GPSD in clients, then point GPSD to the serial or USB device. This exposes NME and raw messages. If you need centimeter-level positioning, compile RTClib or the uBlocks driver and feed base and rover streams. Once configured, enable PPS on the kernel and integrate it with Crony or NTP. This makes your system a reliable time reference. Test outputs with CGPS or by reading the serial stream to confirm sentences and fix mode. Finish by running the system as a service and securing it. Set a static IP, a simple firewall, and enable GPSD at boot so the GPS becomes consistently available. Then record a position log and compare with a known reference to validate accuracy. Adjust antenna placement as needed. If things go wrong, follow one key troubleshooting path. Confirm the antenna sees the sky, verify the serial device and baud. Inspect NME sentences for satellites and fix quality, then reboot. That process narrows faults fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.